Hey guys, I just got a new box from fragrancebuy.ca and I got 5 different fragrances, some pretty cheapy ones, one that is fairly expensive, and one to add to the collection of John Barbados fragrances that I have. So yeah, these ones are blind buys that I got. Most of them are recommendations from Ash, from Jen Sands. He made a video and I copped some of these. So that first one that you're gonna see right there in the brown box, that's Latafa Rockba Wood Intense. So it's a pretty interesting box. I think it would be, I kind of like the design. It's interesting, and that one's like fairly cheap, so I like that. That was like about $15, so that's cool. There's also, that one is a tester for Jaguar Classic Black, so it doesn't have a cap, of course, but I have another one and it's pretty good. That one's Tamango, Leonard, Paris, and that's a tester as well. I believe that one's a female fragrance, but it's aldehydic, so that's cool. This one is John Barbados XX Artisan Teal. I like that color of that box, really. I'll really like it, and that would be a good addition to the collection that I have actually going for John Barbados. And this one right here, this one's Nishane Papilefico or Papilefico. So that one looks pretty cool. I'll have to open it up and see. So I'm high hopes for that one. I like that little art they did on that sleeve or box. The rock bar looks kind of interesting. It looks very kind of trying to be over the top, but I don't know if it'll be, the fragrance will be right there. So yeah, I'll review these on the channel and hopefully you guys see what you think. So cool.